Hello everyone on YouTube, Master of Cards here to bring you my last card trick of the year. But this isn't my last video of the year, I'll post a special Christmas message at a later date. Right, now let's get this one over and done with. This trick is number 520 in my spellbook. It's called Nature vs. Technology. I've got the Fury 11's Animal deck and the Sentinels deck, also from Fury 11. But enough about that. Since this is Nature versus Technology, I'll start with this deck, the Animal Kingdom deck. Sorry, I didn't describe it fully. Okay, now let's select a card. Let's go. I know. We'll stop there. That's what I've got to do since there's no spectator. Okay. And stop. Well, I have to do it because there's no one there. Okay. Seeing the card we stopped at is 10 of Spades. Now I'm just going to cut it into the deck and do that, so there's no breaks. Now let's see if this works. Did it? That's fine now. Let's look through this deck to see if we can find the 10 of Spades. Looks like we're down to the last card. He's gone. Well, it's gone, sorry. It's not a king or queen or a jack. And again, I did riffle it into this deck. Let's see if the technology part of the trick works. No 10 of Spades in this deck, eh? Unless it's been converted. There's one face down card here, and the card is the 10 of Spades. Well, I'll be. I guess technology won that round. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the trick. That's my last one for this year, but like I said, I'll be releasing a special Christmas message within the next couple of days, so watch out for that. I hope you enjoyed this trick. As usual, please subscribe if you did like it, if you've got your own channel, that is. If you don't, start one up. I did it, so can you. Well, that's it for now, so that's it for the tricks this year. So until then, until my next Christmas, well, oh, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I must apologise for my little babble there, and also the little babble I did in my last video. My apologies for that. Right, I'm going to end it now there. So until next time, cheerio!